Have you ever faced a challenge so private, so deeply personal, you couldn't bring yourself to share it, even with those closest to you? For millions of seniors across the U.S., Canada, and beyond, that silent struggle unfolds every day in the bathroom, not because of illness or frailty, but because wiping after using the toilet has become a daunting task. When arthritis locks your joints, your back resists bending, or your reach falls short, this simple act can feel like a mountain to climb. In 2025, research shows over 40% of seniors over 60 grapple with this unspoken issue, yet it's shrouded in silence. But here's the light at the end of the tunnel. You're not alone, and there are gentle, dignified solutions that can restore your comfort, confidence, and independence starting today. Join me. This could be the moment that changes how you live. A common challenge, a new path forward. Picture a cozy morning in a suburban American home, or perhaps a quiet flat in London or Sydney. You're enjoying your tea or coffee, maybe catching up on CBS This Morning or BBC News, and you step into the bathroom for your daily routine. For decades, wiping after using the toilet was second nature, a task you never questioned. But now, as a senior over 60, things have changed. Stiff fingers, aching hips, or limited mobility turn this once easy act into a struggle. You pause, worry about staying clean, and feel a quiet sting of lost independence. Worst of all, the embarrassment keeps you from asking for help. This is more common than you think. A 2025 study from the American Geriatric Society and similar Western health journals reveals that nearly half of seniors over 60 face bathroom hygiene challenges due to aging-related mobility issues. In the U.S. alone, 30 million seniors with arthritis or back pain find wiping painful or unsafe. Ignoring this risks skin irritation, urinary tract infections, or pressure sores, which erode health and confidence. But there's hope. Innovative tools and thoughtful habits are revolutionizing how seniors manage personal hygiene, making it easier, safer, and more empowering. I discovered this through Dr. Laura Bennett, a geriatric care expert with 20 years of experience helping seniors across the U.S., Canada, and the U.K. live independently. Her insights, grounded in 2025 research, inspired this video. Here at Senior Wisdom, our mission is to help you live healthier, wiser, and more confidently. Today, we'll guide you through practical solutions, from soothing wipes to portable bidets and clever tools that make bathroom hygiene effortless again. We'll keep it honest, respectful, and easy to follow, whether you're in New York, Toronto, or Melbourne. No shame, no complexity, just solutions to help you or a loved one feel clean and in control. Before we dive in, please do this. If this topic touches you or you want to uplift seniors facing these challenges, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It signals to YouTube that this conversation matters, helping Senior Wisdom reach more people across the West. Take a deep breath. You're about to uncover solutions that make life brighter, starting now. Incomplete cleaning. Dry paper leaves residue, increasing risks of rashes, infections, or discomfort. Physical demands. Wiping requires twisting, reaching, and dexterity, which arthritis, spinal issues, or balance problems make difficult or painful. For the 30 million U.S.
His strange behavior caught the attention of classmate Sweetie.
Seniors with arthritis, or millions more in Canada, the UK, and Australia with similar conditions, bending to wipe. Poor hygiene allows bacteria to thrive, leading to health issues that sap confidence and independence. Fortunately, 2025 brings a wave of senior-friendly alternatives that are gentle, effective, and designed to empower. Let's explore them. Solution 1. Pre-moistened wipes. A softer approach. Pre-moistened wipes are soft, disposable cloths infused with mild cleansing solutions, like those in baby products, often enriched with aloe or vitamin E to calm skin. Seniors across Western nations love them for their gentleness, superior cleaning power, and ease of use compared to dry paper. A 2025 study in the Journal of Geriatric Dermatology found wipes cut skin irritation by 50% for seniors, offering a refreshing alternative. How to use. Gently wipe after toileting, then toss in a lidded trash bin. Never flush, as most wipes aren't biodegradable and can clog plumbing. Keep a small bin nearby for convenience. Drawback: non-flushable wipes contribute to landfill waste, so use them thoughtfully. Tip: opt for fragrance-free, alcohol-free wipes to protect sensitive skin, especially for frequent use. Mary, a 68-year-old from Texas, struggled with painful wiping due to arthritis. After switching to wipes, she felt cleaner than ever, and her skin rashes vanished within weeks. Her story echoes seniors in Vancouver or Bristol who found similar relief. Solution 2: portable bidets. Cleanliness anywhere. Portable bidets are handheld, refillable bottles that spray lukewarm water for a thorough, irritation-free clean. They're ideal for home, travel, or public restrooms in cities like Chicago, Toronto, or London, fitting easily in a purse or car glove box. Water outperforms wiping, reducing bacteria and inflammation, per 2025 hygiene research from Western Health Institutes. How to use: fill with warm water, aim carefully, and squeeze gently. Angled spouts help those with limited mobility. Pat dry with a soft towel afterward. Drawback: requires practice to aim and access to clean water, which may be tricky in public settings. Tip: use filtered or boiled water if tap water is hard to avoid skin irritation. James, a 71-year-old from Florida, uses a portable bidet at home and on RV trips across the U.S. It's like a personal shower, he says, and his hemorrhoid pain is gone. Seniors in Sydney report similar freedom on the go. Solution 3: perineal bottles. Simple and accessible perineal irrigation bottles, originally for postpartum care, are lightweight, easy-to-squeeze bottles perfect for seniors with limited mobility. They're ideal for bedside use or nighttime needs, offering a gentle rinse without complex gadgets. Popular in U.S. and Canadian homes, they're a low-cost solution. How to use: fill with warm, unscented water, aim below, and rinse after toileting. Keep one in the bathroom and another by the bed for convenience. Drawback: no built-in drying, so keep a towel handy. May need refilling for thorough cleaning. Tip: choose bottles with curved nozzles for easier reach, especially for hip or back issues. Linda, a 74-year-old from Ohio, relies on a perineal bottle post-hip surgery. It's simple and keeps me independent, she says, avoiding the strain of wiping. UK seniors like her praise its bedside ease. Solution 4: bidet attachments. A modern upgrade. Bidet attachments are toilet-mounted nozzles that spray water with a button press, eliminating the need for bending or wiping. Adjustable settings for temperature, pressure, and direction make them a favorite for seniors in Western countries. A 2025 study in geriatric nursing found bidet users have 30% fewer urinary infections and better comfort, especially for incontinence or hemorrhoids. How to use: install on standard toilets. Some models need a plumber for warm water. Press the button to clean, then pat dry. Cost: $50 to $500, with heated seats pricier but luxurious for cold mornings in Chicago or Manchester. Drawback: initial cost and learning curve for settings, but worth it for long-term ease. Tip: start with a basic model under $100 for affordability, widely available at U.S. and UK retailers. Robert, a 69-year-old from California, calls his bidet attachment a game-changer. No more twisting, and his skin stays irritation-free. Australian seniors echo this for its hands-free relief. Solution 5: handheld shower heads. A full clean handheld shower heads allow seniors to rinse thoroughly after toileting, ideal for those with incontinence or frequent irritation. Popular in Western bathrooms, they offer adjustable pressure and multi-purpose use, soothing sore muscles too. How to use: step into the shower post-toileting and rinse with warm water. Pause button models save water. Drawback: requires undressing and stepping into a shower, which may be time-consuming. Tip: install a shower chair or walk-in shower for safety, common in U.S. and Canadian homes. Susan, a 72-year-old from Georgia, showers after morning toileting. Your worth shines through. Bathroom struggles don't diminish you, They're just a chapter in your body's evolving story. At Senior Wisdom, we believe hygiene is about self-respect, not embarrassment. These tools, wipes, bidets, shower heads, and habits honor your need for comfort and independence. Whether you're in a bustling Chicago condo, a quiet Bristol cottage, or a sunny Perth bungalow, Laura Bennett says it best. Adapting is strength, not surrender. You're not less because wiping is harder now. You're resilient for seeking solutions. Try one today. A wipe, a bidet, a grab bar, and feel the difference. From New York to Sydney, you deserve to feel clean, confident, and whole. What moved you most? Comment, hope, below if this brought you comfort or clarity. If this video helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more health tips crafted for seniors. Share this with a friend, sibling, or caregiver. One tip could brighten their day. Thank you for being here. You're not alone, and we're with you every step. See you in the next video.